guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, magluluto tayo ng supper. Kasi, matatapos sa work yung husband ko 4:30. And then, 6 o'clock pupunta kami sa doctor namin for our eye appointment. So, let's start cooking. So, for our menu, syempre, rice. Pero gusto ng husband is fried rice with vegetables. And then, gagawa ako ng pork adobo. Kasi paborito niya yun. Kaya, let's make the rice first. Nakasalang na yung ating rice. And now, magre-ready tayo ng ating mga ingredients. So, meron tayong pork. Then, lalagyan ko ng chili, garlic, and ginger. So, meron tayong ginger, guys. Or luya. Sa Bisaya. Luya. Bisaya or Ilonggo? Basta sa mo. Sa amin kasi luya or ano. Ayan. Ito, ginger. Tapos, ito may bawang tayo. Guys, hindi ako expert sa pagluluto. Natutunan ko lang to. Natutunan ko lang to sa mama at papa ko. So, maaring sa iba, ang iba sa inyo, hindi nila nilalagyan ng luya. Pero sa amin nilalagyan namin. Kasi parang nag-a-add siya ng flavor. Ayan. Special request ng asawa ko. Adobong baboy for supper. With fried rice. And hugasan lang natin. Guys, hindi ito professional na cooking show. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang Gusto ko na ipakita sa inyo kung paano ko gumawa ng adobo. Alam nyo guys, yung asawa ko, my husband, he's not picky when it comes to food. Hindi siya maarte. He likes Filipino food. But not so much with dessert. Then yung chili. Wala. Tingnan nyo. May sira. Lagyan ko ng dalawa. Kasi ayoko din na masyadong maanghang eh. Although I like spicy, but not too spicy. Hiwain ko natin yung pork natin. Yung pork, ito ay pork shoulder. Tingnan nyo. This is $4.28. Loy struggle is real good. Paghiwa. Wala akong ba na siya kung pa-slice on ano. Alright guys. Ihahanda na natin yung ating sauce. So for the sauce, naglagay ako ng 1 tablespoon of white sugar. 1/4 cup ng toyo. And then, lalagyan ko ng apple cider. Apple cider yung gamit ko kasi hindi siya masyadong acidic unlike yung vinegar. And then lalagyan natin ng 1/2 cup of water. And then lagyan natin ng peppercorn. And then asin. Tansya-tansya lang yung asin. Yan na muna. natin kakahaluin. Let's put the pork. And hanggang ganyan siya guys, brown. Then ilagay natin yung ating sauce. Alright guys, update sa ating adobo. Smells good. And simmer natin. Alright guys, ngayon, let's put the garlic and the ginger. Actually, lahat na. So guys, naglagay ako ng bay leaves and then star anise. And for our fried rice guys, I'll put mushrooms, celery, pepper, corn, garlic, and onion. Then of course, our rice. So the oil is ready. Ilalagay na natin itong garlic. Look guys, ang ating adobo. Lapit na yung maluto. Ang bango. Then we'll put the onions. And then let's put our corn guys. Check the adobo. Right. Good. That's done. Now let's move on to our fried rice. And let's put the rice. And here's the supper. How is it, Malo?
Good. Yummy.
Let me use it. Is it spicy?
It is spicy. What did you put in there?
Chili.
Sauce?
No, chili.
Oh. There's no pieces there at all, is it? That I'm eating? You find it spicy? Chili's not in the rice, is it?
No, not in the rice, it's in adobo. Come here, guys. How come Canadians don't use spoon for eating your meal? Because in the Philippines, we use
For this?
spoon and fork all the time, no matter what. Like with rice, unless it's soup, right?
No. You say spoon and fork, or?
Yeah, spoon and fork.
I don't know.
Kakabalo.
I don't know. I guess it's just the way we grew up, just the way like you grew up using spoon and fork. There used to be a thing called a spork too. It was half fork, half spoon.
Oh?
A lot of people like them. It's called a spork or a thing. They're gonna have that 4 things, but it'll have a little spot there.
Oh.
So it's like good for, I guess soup and stuff or whatever.